Yeah, y'all know what time it is. We getting straight into this new form.
Time for another unboxing. I know, shocking, right?
What's in the box? What's in the box?
Come here! Turn me up! Look at the pearly whites. You see them? Show them again. My shining teeth in me. Headache. Oh, this is getting fun!
Yeah. All right. I just wanted to have a little fun before we start unboxing this product I got, or I say a product. This new watch. Y'all know what it is, man. As I rip into this thing, man. With the next scene, we about to get into it, man. But listen, I don't want y'all taking stuff too serious, man. Sometimes we just gotta kick back, man. So let's get into the watch, and y'all tell me what y'all think at the end of this video.
Nani, here comes a new challenger. Stage transition. I want to take it for a ride.
Welcome in, family, man. Thank you guys for coming in. I appreciate you being here for this unboxing and this presentation of the newest diver. And like it was said before, we have a new challenger. Now, anybody that's been a frequent on this channel know that I love dive watches. And this is no secret. I just have a thing, man. Like if I had one watch, I had to go to a one watch collection, it's going to be a diver. Hands down. Right. But anyway, I was introduced to this company through Microlux out in Chicago, and they had a bunker. The bunker was the watch that really got me attracted to this company. And listening to this, the presentation. Can you tell me about this brand?
All right, so this is Swiss Watch Company here. We've been around with our own designs for about 5 or 6 years. We do a lot of titanium, like the piece you've got. And this one here is one of our newest models. This one here is the Hyper G, the titanium 5-piece. Oh, no worries.
Now this is, what is this one called?
The Hyper G.
Hyper G? Oh man.
We load our pieces on with lots of room. Our watches are built like tools, made to be worn.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I was impressed, and I knew at one point I took the card and said, you know what, one day I'm going to purchase this. But of course, I'm like anybody else that collects a lot of watches, man. It's so hard to, like, if there's a lot of companies, there's a ton of companies, and you can't get them all. It's impossible unless you got long pockets or something like that, deep pockets. But this particular diver, I was attracted to online. And when you go on their website, which has been updated, now I love this. I just love the way the website is. You see this watch, and based on what I'm looking at, the color is almost true to color. You know what I'm saying? Some like kind of do that filter thing. That does have, when you look at their watches, it has sort of like a glow around that, man, just to emphasize the watch itself. But if you go in there, you'll see what I mean. It's pretty true to color. And I love that brown. And plus, it's fall. I just think this is a fall color. The problem that I had with this was trying to pick the right color. There's a blue one, and the lume on it is a different color. This one glows green, and it's painted on. It's like Superluminova X1 or something like that. And there's like 20 layers of lume on this watch. 20 layers. And then on the underside of this sapphire crystal is 5 layers of AR coating. And then when I turn it over, oil pressed case back. Yo, wait, hold up. Is that it's number limited. It has a number. My watch has a number. 300 meters, 1,000 feet, and this watch is tested. You can go on their website, like they have a YouTube channel, and you can see one of the brothers actually assembling one of these watches, and I think he tested it. But I can tell you, screw down crown, and you see the guards on it. Let's see. Okay, nice pop. It feels smooth. Salida 200, and they test every last watch. That's one of the things I like about micro brands. Now let's get down to. I'm just like anybody else. I went on YouTube to see what other YouTuber or content creator or watch reviewer was talking about this watch. And one of the things that was complained about was the actual logo. So check out the logo, Swiss Watch Company. I have no problem with the logo. Like a 3D effect to it. Yeah, that's pretty sweet, man. And I'm telling you, man, the only thing about you watching it right now versus me looking down at it, I'm seeing how rich the colors are, man. That font, man. Oh my gosh. It's, oh, wait. Hold up. We gotta test it. Low thud. It's not highly audible. Scallop edges. But I'm telling you, it's still satisfying. And then you see that sweet. That sweet. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm looking at the finish. Great brushing on it, man. Then you have to like certain polished areas, man. I like this watch, man. This watch is killer. Oh, 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 diamond. Now, for the sake of, I did not research the watch too much before I got it. I wanted to be surprised. And this bracelet is amazing. I did see online that the bracelet, once you size it, it is sort of tough. I will come back with a review on this watch after I've worn it and checked it out. Ooh. Okay, so look, quick release. And then this was cool. Man, look how crazy that is. Look at, man. Now I'm gonna tell you another company that has a strap similar to this, man. Fair and Sweat. And I'm telling you, I love Fair and Sweat watches. And shout out to anybody that has purchased one. Phenomenal watch company. But this one right here, I love what they're about. And I love supporting micro brands. I do. I do. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you are interested in this watch. And of course, I got to show you the loom before I go. Because this is just a simple unboxing. Man, y'all, I'm just looking at the whole setup, man. Oh my gosh, man. This is nice, man. This is it, man. Swiss Watch Company, you guys did a great job. Presentation is phenomenal. I got a little thank you card and everything, man. And then hold up, Michael. Now look at this microfiber cloth, man, that has your watch on it. The actual, not my particular color, but all right, let's get this loom, man, because I'm sitting over here, Jones. I got to size this thing. I got to put it on because I'm wearing this tomorrow. So let's take a good look at it before I show you the loom. Just look at the AR coating, 20 layers of Super Luminova, scallop edges, sign crown. Mm. That's a diver right there, yo. That is a beauty. That is an elegant diver. 44 millimeters. I think it's like 13 and a half millimeters thick. In that case bag, look at that. It's like three-dimensional. Pull that plastic off. I'll get a better look at it, man. This thing. Ah, yeah, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that. I'm feeling this, y'all. All right, let's get this. Hold up, man. I gotta peel this off because it looked like it was scratched, but I know that's plastic. Get out of here. Get out of here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Beautiful. Mm. Okay, let's get some loom in. Turn on the lights, boy. Ooh. Mm. Dang, look at how it's just reflecting off that crystal too, man. That's crazy. And that's just like off a little shot of loom. This loom is nuts, man. That's 20 layers. 20 layers of loom. We're gonna end it right now. Just take it in. Just take it in. Go down there below and go ahead, click the link, check it out. I believe the bunker is sold out, but I did talk to one of the representatives over there, and sign up for the newsletter. Sign up for the newsletter because they do. This comes in just under $500, but there was a sale they had for Labor Day. I think it was like 10% off or something like that. But sign up for the newsletter, and they'll let you know when they have discounts and stuff like that, and what's coming out in the bunker. And I think that bunker, the Hyper G, is a nice watch too. Just go check out the website. Go see for yourself. Go get brush up on some literature. Go explore. That's all I'm gonna tell you. This is my watch, so it's not a paid promotion. Right? Anyway, it's time for that lightning strike, man. So, family, until the next time, to the next video, man. Y'all go out and do great things and be blessed.